Hello, welcome to the AC Silver store on our channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about this quite exceptional, unusual, antique sterling silver and enamel presentation folding chair in the arts and crafts style. Quite an exceptional handcrafted example. Really has this beautiful arts and crafts style frame. The folding chair has beautiful enamel, as does the back of the chair. It remains in really exceptional and perfect condition. The piece as a whole is also in exceptional condition. It's supported by this original painted wood plinth. It retains the original presentation inscription. Mr. and Mrs. Sykes donated 200 chairs to the Methodist Church. The chair was a token gift from the church. As I mentioned, the piece is an exceptional quality, superior gauge of silver, deeply struck hallmarks which remain very clear. The piece itself is in exceptional condition. The types of articles we're always trying to include within the inventory, not just unusual and finest of their type, but ones that remain in this quite exceptional condition. I'm just delighted to have it within the inventory, as I know once sold upon receipt, the next custodians will be absolutely delighted and have the pleasure of its owning for the next period of its existence. All our items of silver are sold with storage bags, which are excellent for anti-tarnish, and the piece is safekeeping. We also supply authentication certificates, insurance valuations, which are great documents for your records. So as you can imagine, this piece is sold with my highest of recommendations. If, however, any further information was required, please do not hesitate to call us here in store or email me directly, and I'd be happy to answer any queries or questions that you may have. In the meantime, I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.